So again, good morning to all. In the last lecture, we have designed a function that tells us whether a number is prime or not. Okay. In a similar manner, today itself, we are going to design a function that will take an integer and will calculate the factorial of that particular number. Okay. Let me design a function. So the name of the function is, let's say, fact. Okay. So in order to calculate factorial, what is the prime requirement? The prime requirement is you need to pass a number that will be integer. Okay. So I have taken a number, let's say p, and as a result, what I will do, I will return you the integer. It means the main task of this function is, it is saying that my name is fact, and in order to call me, what you can do, you can pass an integer, and as a result I will give you the integer. And what is the meaning of that particular integer? The meaning of this one is I will return you the factorial. Okay, so let me calculate the factorial of this number. Let's say I have taken an integer I and I have applied the loop from I equal to one number to p, and then we have returned that I plus plus, and I have written, like, let me take a number. So I am again not going to repeat our logic of this one. So I am assuming that you know the logic of prime number, factorial also. Okay, and we written that number equals number into y, and at the last we have put that return number. So what is the meaning of this one is, the meaning of this one is my name is fact, give me the number, I will calculate the factorial of that particular number, and I will return you. Okay, so inside main, what you can do, you can design main, and I have already told you, in order to call a function you need to write the name of the function. Okay, so the name of the function is fact. Okay, along with what? Along with number. So you have to pass a number also. Let's say number is 30. And what is going to happen? Just check the return type of a function. The return type of a function is int. So what is the meaning of this one is, as a result you will get an integer. So I can save it in a variable, let's say x, and I can print x. So what is the meaning of this one is, the meaning of this one is the compiler will start execution from main, and the moment compiler is saying checking that you are calling a function, so the control will transfer here. What will be copied in p? In p we will copy 30. It means control will come here. So we are going to apply loop from 1 to 30, and we are going to check the factorial of that number, and we are going to return the number. Okay, but please don't pass the large parameters, because in order to calculate the factorial of 30, the number becomes very large, and probably it will go outside the boundary of integer. So you can pass the 3 or 4. Okay, so in programming, please don't pass 30. Okay, you can pass 6, 7 or a small number. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one is, let me repeat again. It is saying that give me the number and I will calculate the factorial. Okay, and in a last program we have seen that a function can be called many times. Okay, so in the same program, what I can do, let me run this. What can I do? I can run this. Okay, so what I can do, I can take a main. Let me design here. I will take a main, void main, like this. Oh, sorry. Let me erase the space also. Oh yeah, I am giving the homework of you. So what you should do, your homework is, you have to call this function and you have to put inside the loop. So what is the meaning of this one is, let's say someone says that you have to calculate the factorial from number 2 to 10. So what you will do, you will apply a loop from 2 to 10, and inside the loop you are going to call this function. Okay, and the moment you will call this function, you will pass I inside the function. So the function will call many times. So that is your homework. If you don't know, then I will solve the issue. Okay. In the next lecture, we will discuss the most important concept of function. Okay. That is called recursion. So in our next lecture, we will solve recursion. Thank you.